Welcome to our guide on the best AI side hustles in 2026. With the rise of AI technology, new opportunities are emerging. From virtual assistants to data labeling, we'll explore it all. First up, we have AI-powered content creation services. Platforms like Content Blossom and Article Forge offer unique solutions. Next, we'll discuss AI-driven virtual assistance jobs. Services like Fiverr and Upwork have AI-powered tasks available. Another option is AI-powered transcription services. Companies like Rev and Go Transcript offer high-quality services. Data labeling is another crucial task in AI development. Platforms like Hive and Google Cloud offer data labeling services. AI-powered social media management is also a viable option. Services like Hootsuite and Buffer offer AI-driven tools. AI-powered online tutoring is another side hustle opportunity. Platforms like TutorMe and Chegg offer AI-powered tutoring services. AI-powered online surveys and market research are also available. Services like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie offer AI-driven rewards. AI-powered freelance writing and editing services are in demand. Platforms like Upwork and Freelancer offer AI-powered writing tasks. AI-powered online marketing and advertising are also opportunities. Services like Google Ads and Facebook Ads offer AI-driven tools. AI-powered affiliate marketing is another side hustle option. Platforms like Amazon Associates and ClickBank offer AI-powered affiliate marketing programs. AI-powered dropshipping is a low-risk side hustle opportunity. Services like Shopify and Oberlo offer AI-driven dropshipping tools. AI-powered stock photography is another side hustle option. Platforms like Shutterstock and iStock offer AI-powered stock photography services. AI-powered voiceover work is also in demand. Services like Voices.com and Upwork offer AI-powered voiceover services. AI-powered video editing is another side hustle opportunity. Platforms like Adobe Premiere and Final Cut Pro offer AI-driven video editing tools. AI-powered web development is also in demand. Services like WordPress and Wix offer AI-powered web development tools. AI-powered data entry is another side hustle option. Platforms like Amazon's Mechanical Turk and Google Cloud offer AI-powered data entry services. AI-powered customer service is also in demand. Services like Zendesk and Freshdesk offer AI-powered customer service tools. AI-powered email marketing is another side hustle opportunity. Platforms like MailChimp and Constant Contact offer AI-driven email marketing tools. AI-powered social media contests are also in demand. Services like Hootsuite and Buffer offer AI-powered social media contest tools. AI-powered affiliate marketing for e-commerce is another side hustle option. Platforms like Shopify and Oberlo offer AI-powered affiliate marketing for e-commerce services. AI-powered online language translation is also in demand. Services like Google Translate and Microsoft Translator offer AI-powered language translation tools. AI-powered data analysis is another side hustle opportunity. Platforms like Tableau and Power BI offer AI-driven data analysis tools. AI-powered online coaching is also in demand. Services like Clarity and Coach.me offer AI-powered online coaching tools. AI-powered podcasting is another side hustle option. Platforms like Anchor and Buzzsprout offer AI-driven podcasting tools. AI-powered online event planning is also in demand. Services like Eventbrite and Lanad offer AI-powered event planning tools. AI-powered social media management for small businesses is another side hustle opportunity. Platforms like Hootsuite and Buffer offer AI-driven social media management tools. AI-powered online survey software is also in demand. Services like SurveyMonkey and Google Forms offer AI-powered online survey software. AI-powered email list building is another side hustle option. Platforms like MailChimp and Constant Contact offer AI-driven email list building tools. AI-powered online course creation is also in demand. Services like Udemy and Teachable offer AI-powered online course creation tools. AI-powered social media marketing for e-commerce is another side hustle opportunity. Platforms like Shopify and Oberlo offer AI-driven social media marketing tools. AI-powered online reputation management is also in demand. Services like Hootsuite and Buffer offer AI-powered online reputation management tools. AI-powered podcast editing is another side hustle option. Platforms like Audacity and Adobe Audition offer AI-driven podcast editing tools. AI-powered online community management is also in demand. Services like Discord and Slack offer AI-powered online community management tools. AI-powered affiliate marketing for products is another side hustle opportunity. Platforms like Amazon Associates and ClickBank offer AI-driven affiliate marketing tools. AI-powered online product review writing is also in demand. Services like Review Trackers and Trustpilot offer AI-powered online product review writing tools. AI-powered online customer support is another side hustle option. Platforms like Zendesk and Freshdesk offer AI-powered online customer support tools.